Hi, I'm Rob, and this is the 2026 Wrangler Whitecap Edition. The most obvious things on the Whitecap Edition is going to be the white two-tone paint. In this one, it's got the hydro blue paint finish, and then you've got the bright white grille, and then you've got the bright white two-tone top to it. Another notable feature is the 1941 white stripe that goes along the side. This has been available in black as a Mopar option on other Wrangler orders, but on the Whitecap, it comes exclusively in white. This Whitecap is based on the Sahara trim level with the Popular Equipment Group. The Popular Equipment Group does give you the side steps down here. It does give you the front-facing camera right here. You've got blind spot monitoring included with it as well, and the backup sensors. And on the inside, you do get leather interior with power passenger and driver seats. Navigation system is included with the Alpine surround sound system, and then a hardtop headliner as well. Thanks for watching this brief video on the 2026 Sahara Whitecap Edition.